Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView stop loss. A stop loss is an essential tool that automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you, helping to limit potential losses. It acts as a safety net, protecting your capital from significant drawdowns. Understanding and correctly implementing a stop loss is fundamental for sound risk management in any trading strategy. Setting a stop loss on TradingView is straightforward. You can easily place one by right-clicking directly on your chart after opening a position, or by using the order panel. Once placed, you can drag the stop loss line to your desired price level or manually input a precise value. Many traders use a 2% risk rule, for example, to determine their stop loss. Beyond basic fixed stops, TradingView offers advanced methods. A trailing stop loss automatically moves with your profit, locking in gains while still protecting against reversals. You can also use technical indicators, such as a 20-period moving average, to dynamically adjust your stop loss. Another effective strategy involves setting your stop based on market volatility, using tools like the average true range. To maximize effectiveness, never move your stop loss further away from your entry point once a trade is active. This increases risk. Always review and adjust your stop loss levels regularly, especially as market conditions evolve or your trade thesis changes. Remember, a well-placed stop loss is your best defense against unexpected market movements. For more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.